Thank you for choosing the iSpring RCD100HCG Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Dispenser. With the innovative all-in-one design, the water dispenser is convenient and provides hot and cold RO water in 9 temperatures and 6 dispensing volume options. Please follow through with the video for proper startup, operation, and maintenance instructions. Before we begin, please carefully read the user information and product features section in the user manual. Check that all parts were included in your RO system's package before we proceed. Installation. Please note that the system has been thoroughly tested and inspected in the factory water lab. There may be some residual water in the pipeline, which is normal and does not affect system performance. Please proceed with the installation as usual. Step 1. Please remove the drip tray from the packaging and place it below the water dispensing outlet. Step 2. Remove the source water tank cap and lift the tank. Rinse the tank and the water pitcher thoroughly. Step 3. Ensure the mesh filter is pre-installed at the bottom of the tank. Fill the tank with water. Do not exceed the maximum water mark. Step 4. Place the water tank and the empty water pitcher onto the system. Cover the tank with the tank cover. The installation is now complete. System startup. Ensure the system's surface is dry before plugging in the power. The system will start an initial flushing. The large number on the display screen indicates the flushing progress. During this process, the water pitcher will gradually fill up. When the pitcher is full, remove and empty it, then place it back in the system to continue flushing. Simultaneously, the water level in the tank will gradually decrease. Once the tank is low, remove and empty the tank, then refill it and place it back in the system. The flushing progress will continue until the water pitcher is full again or the tank is empty. Repeat this process until the progress on the display reaches 100 and the filter life indicators are full. This usually requires about 10 pitchers of water. It is normal to see fine activated carbon particles or bubbles in the flushing water. The initial flushing process takes some time, so please be patient. Once the filter life indicators flash along with 100, the initial flushing process is complete. Press any button on the display to exit. The system is ready to use. System operation. The system will flush for 120 seconds each time the power is turned off and on again, and for 10 seconds each time the source water tank is refilled. Note that the system will not operate if the tank cover is removed. Press the temp button or plus and the minus buttons to toggle between 9 preset temperatures. T, formula, room temp, and cold buttons are also preset to the corresponding temperatures. Press the dispense button to dispense water. For dispensing water with temperature above the room temperature or 80 degrees Fahrenheit, press the lock button to unlock, and then press the dispensing button for hot water. Please note the safety lock will automatically engage and apply to all hot water modes after 10 seconds of inactivity. Press the volume button to toggle between 6 preset waters dispense volume. Press the cooling button to enable the production of cold water at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The button will turn from solid white to flashing blue while cooling and will remain blue once the desired temperature is reached, which takes about 30 minutes to an hour. The cooling function should always remain on if cold water is consumed frequently. Press the lock and cooling buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter silent mode. To return to normal mode, press the lock and cooling buttons simultaneously again for 5 seconds. Please note that the system uses drain water circulation technology. Wastewater from the reverse osmosis process is recycled and reused within the tank, remaining there at the end of the filtration cycle. Therefore, it is crucial to empty the tank before refilling it. Also, the system will automatically enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. All display's lights will turn off. press any button to exit sleep mode. For more system operation information, please read the Display and Touchscreen Operations section in the user manual. Filter replacement. It is highly recommended to clean or replace the filters when they reach their recommended replacement cycle. However, the actual lifespan of the filters may vary depending on the source water quality and frequency of usage. Please follow the filter life indicator and replace the filter as needed. For the Stage 1 filter, we recommend cleaning it every 3 weeks. Remove the tank cap, then remove and empty the water tank. Pull the filter out of the tank bottom, carefully clean it with a soft brush with water, and reinstall the filter back to the water tank when finished. For the Stage 2 and Stage 3 filters, first unplug the power and remove the water tank. Flatly push and remove the filter cover. Twist the exhausted filter counterclockwise to release and remove the filter. Align and insert the new filter into the corresponding slot and twist the cap clockwise to lock the filters in position. Reinstall the filter cover and then the water tank. Plugged in the power. The system will flush for 120 seconds each time the power is turned off and on again, and for 10 seconds each time the source water tank is refilled. Note that water cannot be dispensed during flushing, and the system will not operate with the tank cover removed. To reset the filter life indicator, press the lock button to unlock the system. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to enter the filter life reset mode. Press the reset button again to choose the filter that has been replaced. Press and hold the reset button again for 3 seconds to reset. After resetting, there will be a 2-second beep, and the display will show a full filter life bar. Please note that the reset button typically remains unlit, but activates when the filter reaches the end of its life. Please perform service and replace the filters based on the recommended schedule. Congratulations! Your iSpring RCD100HCG Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Dispenser is now ready to use. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water from home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.